So I want to start making these videos so I can try to take my knowledge and help someone else out there. Someone who may not know yet what they want to do in life. Or maybe you're getting out of the military and you're just not sure what you're going to do yet. Or maybe you're someone who's just trying to learn more about the trades and how to get into them. I'm here to try to show you some things that I've done that have gotten me to the point where I'm at today. Hopefully I could pass that knowledge on to you guys and help you guys out too. So here we go.
So the reason I'm starting with the truck video first is really just because it's the main thing that people stop me for. They want to take pictures of it. They want to see what I've done to it. So I figured I'd create a quick little video just to kind of showcase a few things that I've done. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you think.
Give you a peek in the back. Built my own little crates back here. They're milk crates that I just put some wire mesh in to keep the fittings from falling out. Got the little swing out cases that go underneath these boxes I built. So you just hold on to this yellow handle, pull out, and the boxes swing out. They swing out that far. Put a little hook on this. Keep my little trash bucket from floating around. Another swing out case. And they just lock in there. And to get these crates easy, I built a little handle or a hook out of copper. You see, it's just got a 90 and a street 90 soldered together. Just a piece of copper. And this is how I get my crates. Wire mesh, milk crate, and I get it back. And I store shovels and stuff back there. Just take your handle, push it back in place. This just stores right back in here. And these boxes are a lifesaver. They store so much more stuff. They're just built real easy. It's a real simple metal frame. And then added a leg to it for stability. Drilled it through the sidewall here. Same thing on both sides. This is just magnetic. I got this from, I don't know, Harbor Freight maybe. See, it was red. Spray painted it, added a hook. It's got magnets on the back. I put that there. Now my trash bucket stays there. So I added this ladder rack to it because what I was doing before was I was just setting the ladders in the bed, you know, sitting back here, and then it would rest up against the top of the hood here. I had to put a towel over here, you know, sometimes it would just move around. This ladder rack was necessary in order to do my job faster and better, so I definitely recommend you guys getting one as soon as you can. It makes life easier for sure. Put these ratchet straps on here. Got hooks here. Down here. Got some shovels. Water hose. Got my pipe up here. Again, this is just a quick video, mainly of me just trying to learn all this video editing stuff and trying to put it out there. I plan to do many more videos in the future, so please just bear with me while I figure all this stuff out. If you could, please subscribe and like this video so we can keep this thing going in the future. Thanks, guys. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, hit that like button. That way we can take this and let's try to reach as many people out there as we can.